Armory, we're showing a group exhibition of some of our top artists. The highlight of our booth is the video of Hadieh Shafie. Hadieh Shafie is one of the most well-known Iranian painters who is a landscape painter, but in the last 10 years she has brought forth in her art the element of video and animation. Alkadhi has created special work for our booth. His work for the Armory deals with the Arab Spring. We are celebrating the 100th year of the Armory by featuring the work of Rachel Lee Hovnanian, an American artist based in New York who's from Texas originally. For the Armory, she's coming up with a big surprise. It is going to be her motherboards and her reflections, but then she's going to have a table that has been specially been made for the Armory, and it's going to be very interactive. Hadieh Shafie, who has recently been purchased by the Metropolitan Museum of Art, she is starting a whole new series of works. Usually she worked in squares and in tondos. This new series of works are inspired by the shapes of the Turkmen jewelry. She's going to have a series of 6 works that were done especially for the Armory. One of the other highlights of our show at the Armory is the first showing of the work of Reza Aramesh. It's a double sculpture of 2 human forms. They are always 3/4 lengths. This one is in the form of the Pietà. Basically, it's a dying Iraqi soldier in the arms of an Iranian soldier. Contemporary figures, yet they have been depicted in the form of a Renaissance portrayal of the Pietà. This is his debut in the United States. So we're very excited by what we're featuring at the Armory.